What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Toyota Corolla. So we'll need to be in the vehicle with it either running or the ignition in the on position. I have the ignition in the on position. Then we're going to be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel here. Now, if you have your ignition in the on position rather than running as I do, you're going to get this message on your dash, basically just saying it's not ready to drive. How we're going to clear that message is this back button right here. So press the back button and it clears that message. But if we let the dash sit idle more than just a few seconds, that message is going to pop back up. As you can see, it just did there. So at any point if that message comes up, just hit the back button. So hit that back button to clear it. Then what I'm going to do is use these arrows and scroll either left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get over to the settings menu. It's the one that looks like a little gear. Once we're on this screen, then I'm going to do is scroll down, arrow down until we get down to vehicle settings. Once that's highlighted, I'm going to press and hold the OK button for a few seconds. That's going to take us to the vehicle settings screen. Once we're here, I'm going to use the arrow to scroll down and keep scrolling down until we get to oil maintenance. And then I'm going to press OK. And it's just going to ask, do we want to reset? Arrow up to yes. And then once we have yes highlighted, press OK. And then as you can see there, it's been reset. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.